Your thing, your list?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and open it.
I'm so excited. Cannot hide it.
There should be another one. What'd you get?
No, I'm just opening it. I'm not as quick as you, Rachel.
I'm in trouble.
Taco seasoning. I know we got that
Oh,
already.
and taco seasoning.
And pure vanilla extract for baking. I haven't seen that one yet. Have you?
I think we might have that one.
Oh, a list.
Oh, a list.
And then I have Mr. Stubbs. We have some of that.
And some barbecue sauce.
Cool Whip. I think we have that one already too.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just getting doubles now, Rachel.
Yeah, I know. But there's some rares we have yet to get to.
And I got some chicken stock.
Some chicken stocks.
I think we got chicken stock too, don't we?
Yeah. You want to open another one?
Am I allowed to?
Go ahead.
You want to see this list? Maybe it's a different list than what you got. I don't know. I'll keep it. Just
Oh, yeah.
I'm not allowed to open another one?
Yeah, go ahead.
You still on your first one?
Yeah. Trying to open it one-handed. It's not working out. It's so hot.
Over Amazon, it says that you get 5, but you only get 4.
Well, I think it said 5. I think it said 5 surprise. You know, because it's a five surprise stingers. All right, Mom. Let's see what I got. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
What did I get? We got on one some French fries.
What? Oh,
Some French fries.
do you have French fries yet?
Yeah, I think so. And then I got some Italian dressing.
And I got some caramels candy.
You got caramels? Yeah?
I got some garlic and herb rosine. I guess that's like chicken, like not cheese that you spread.
Yeah. And I got another taco seasoning.
And I got another Cool Whip.
Another Cool Whip.
Some more chicken stock.
Some more chicken stocks. And then I got shake and bake. Is that
Old
what,
B seasoning.
is that one at the metallic one?
No, I don't see the shake and bake.
Yeah, and then
Doesn't
I
look
got
like it. No.
country time. Okay.
Oh, lemonade. I haven't seen that one yet.
Yeah, and then I have another one to
Yeah?
open. Yeah. We still haven't gotten any bags.
Paper, like, no grocery
Yeah,
bags. We've
yeah.
got the carts and the...
Yeah.
These things are so hard to carry.
So hard to open. That's all right. I got it. And then... Booms. These minis are so cute. I got Cool Whip. Thank you.
Got a few Cool Whips here.
Yeah. And then I got Crystal Light.
Another one?
Yeah. Then I got Sharp Cheddar.
I think we got that one too.
Yeah. Then, oh dang. I got a list and some coffee. And then the last one. Are you ready? We got a rare.
What is it?
It's the Shiny Bagel Bites. Oh my goodness.